Q family, how y'all doing, man? I hope y'all doing good, bro. Been a long awaited video, man. A lot of y'all been asking me in the comments a lot of my mods and stuff that's been done to the car, so shit, why not just do a little walk around video, you feel me? So for those of y'all who are new to the channel, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Much love for the subs and all that, man, all my new subs, man. And this is my 2014 G37X / Q60. For those of you who know, you know. 2014 is when they rebadged and named the Q60, so I didn't do it, so don't flame me. Infinity did it. Well, yeah, my badge is a Q60. It's actually a G37X coupe, but Soho air-to-air supercharged, VR30 transmission, LOJ billet flex plate, level 10 torque converter, billet torque converter, trans cooler, 34-row oil cooler. We have the 1300cc injectors, obviously, a single 440 air motor fuel pump. So this car is obviously not even maxed out, and we are on the 7-pound pulley. It's making around like 12 to 13 pounds of boost, making around like 620 wheels. So it's great power for me. My goal was 600 wheels to keep it reliable, but hey, 620 is still there too, you know what I mean? If there's any other questions you guys want to ask me, man, feel free to ask me in the comments if I miss anything. I'm just trying to do this off the top, you feel me? I think that's it for performance mods. I'll get back to it if I miss out anything on performance mods, but exterior mods. Let's go for exterior mods. This is an OEM bumper with a JDM Type J lip, Spec D headlights, obviously, blacked out housing, blacked out lens. Wheels are Kansai tandems. We are on the new tires, so we're gonna get to that. We just wrapped them in some Federal 595 RS Pro, 265, 35, 18 all around. The wheels are Kansai tandems, 18 by 9.5 plus 22 offsets. Check the back door, Gary, real quick. Fitment's looking good, bro. The poke is a little too pokey, so there are 20mm spacers on it right now. I'm gonna get the 50. I have some 50mm I just ordered. They just got here today, so I might put those on today. I don't know, but for now we're rocking 20mm spacers. The poke is a little pokey, but it is what it is. We're gonna get the 50mm on there, lower it maybe a 1/4 inch to get the fitment perfect. But honestly, bro, it looks good to me. I ain't gonna lie, it looks good. You know what I mean? But yeah. Obviously, carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber door handles. The car is lowered on BC coils, tinted windows, obviously. There's a lot more coming for the car, bro, including big brake kits, M-style mirror caps, carbon hood, carbon trunk, fenders, obviously. I'm not trying to race it out too much, so I don't know. I might just go carbon fenders and trunk and just say skip the hood, because I'm not trying to make it too racy. I want it to look OEM plus, you know what I'm saying? I am gonna do M-style mirror caps though, for sure. We are gonna go with some carbon buckets in the future as well. And I think that's it for exterior. Oh no, lip again. These this side skirts are from forgot the company, damn. But if y'all know the company, man, this is the brand, the symbol of it, or whatever. I don't remember that company, but the car is mad dirty. But those side skirts, obviously we got the rear diffuser, we got the carbon fiber wing. Oh, we have whatchamacallit, JDM taillights, carbon the muffler tips. It's nothing too crazy on the exterior, man. Just OEM plus, you know what I mean? It's simple and clean. And for the interior, let me get around to that. I'm excited for the M-style mirror caps. So the M-style mirror caps go hard. I ain't gonna cap. For the interior, nothing crazy. We do got AEM gauges. We got the air fuel ratio. We got boost, oil pressure. We got the carbon fiber LED steering wheel. OEM Infinity. We have Infinity mats, but these are pretty fucked up. The backs are good, you know what I'm saying? The back is good. The back look good because, you know, nobody sits in here and all that. But the fronts, obviously, they're dirty as shit. I'm gonna replace them, get some brand new red ones with carbon trimmed interior from eBay. I'm crazy. Carbon fiber LED steering wheel. I've been thinking about taking this little carbon inserts over here and just rock regular. I don't know, let me know if I should do that or not, gang. It's been like, I've been getting tired of this. I've been getting tired of this little red in the middle here. I might take it off, I don't know, but let me know, gang, if I should. But yeah, gonna change out the mats, get some fresh mats. We are getting carbon buckets. We're gonna obviously do some weight reduction as well, but But for the start, we're gonna get carbon buckets. We're gonna gut the back seats, gut the trunk. Obviously, get some two-piece rotors that are lighter. Definitely getting the carbon trunk. Yeah, for sure. Gonna paint match it, obviously, so it looks clean. Yeah, I like the carbon fenders, so I'm definitely gonna get carbon fenders. That I don't know about the hood yet. I might just keep the hood OEM plus, but yeah, that's that for that. And we are gonna get the IPL front bumper. I love this bumper, but I don't know. I've been feeling the IPL front bumper lately, so we might be getting the IPL front bumper as well. So that's probably first on the list. But I think that's about it for exterior mods, gang. Nothing too crazy with the car, man. Let me go over the exhaust. We do have ISR long tube headers, Beluga white pipe. It's a 3-inch white pipe. Back into my stock mid pipe with vibrant resonators that are 12 inches, and then back into Beluga axle backs. So we do have a upgraded exhaust on the way. We chose a 3-inch exhaust from the it's one of the exhausts that they use on the Q60s, the turbo Q60s and 50s. It's a 3-inch mid pipe, so it's a 3-inch mid pipe back with the cat back. So we did order that, so we're gonna get those on and get the car retuned. I'm still weighing my mind if I want to put the 8-pound pulley on or not, but I don't know. I want to keep it reliable, man. I want to throw the 8-pound pulley on and make like fucking 650 wheel and then shit the ticking time bomb. It does have a lot of miles. It has 158,000 miles, bro. Yep, and that's original miles, bro. I'm dead ass. Original miles, original motor, original chassis, everything, original paint. I just keep the shit clean, gang. You don't see them like this no more, bro. I just keep the shit clean, you feel me? But yeah, it's just hella dirty right now. It just looks clean because, you know what I'm saying, it's on camera and it's silver. But I'm actually about to hit the car wash her up, and go on a little drive for y'all, you know what I mean? I just figured why not just shoot this walk around video before we are gonna shoot the other POV drive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, nothing crazy, bro. Clean OEM plus car, you know what I mean? Cool little boosted G37, you know, making a little over 600 wheel. VR30 swap. We do gotta get the trans dialed in though, because it does shift funny in first or second, as I can see in the videos. But I'm not gonna do too much with the rest with the car for the rest of the year, because it's winter time now. We just have a couple more nice days before the snowstorm starts kicking, so I'm not gonna do no crazy. Everything else I'm gonna save that for the next year. So I'm just gonna gather parts throughout the winter, and then next year we just do a whole makeover of the car, you know what I mean? Next year we come out with the IPL front bumper, big brake kit obviously, mirror caps, carbon trunk that's paint matched. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro, and as always, much love, bro. Like and subscribe. Peace.